In this video, I'll show you how you can run an application as an administrator. Now the two ways that you can do this, one is simply a one-time use and the other makes it run like that all the time. So let's just find something that we want to run. Let's say we have the World of Warcraft right here. Now what you can do is simply right click on it and there will be a run as administrator. If you open up this, there'll become a button where you can press yes or no. Now this only does it this one time, and then if you open it without this, it will just become normal again. Now the other option is you can right click on it, open up properties. From in here, select compatibility, and there will be a checkbox right here, run this program as an administrator. If you click apply and OK, now every time you open this, it will open as administrator, even if you don't select this one. Now those are the two ways that you can do it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.